Hi there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish slideshows using the ShowBitz PowerPoint Add-in. Let's get to it. As you can see here, I've already created all of my content. I've created 10 slides that are editorial entertainment type slides that I'm going to play in my content loop. So since I've completed this task, I'm now ready to publish. So I'm going to go up in the ribbon and click the Info TV tab, which is a piece of software that I had previously installed that is part of the ShowBitz communication suite. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click this Add User button to log in. I'm going to click Add New Connection, and I'm going to log in using the same username and password that I use for the online CMS. And I'm going to make sure that Remember Account is checked so it keeps me logged in, and I'm going to click the OK button. And if I go back to the Add User button, it now says the account that I'm logged into. Now that I'm logged in, I'm going to click the Options button. And if you look down the right-hand side of PowerPoint, you'll see that a page property pane appears when clicked. This enables more features such as naming your slide, setting the duration of your slides, and scheduling your slides. Next, I'm going to click the Summary button, which appears at the bottom of PowerPoint and gives you an overview of all the slides that you are going to publish. Now I'm going to choose the type of content that I want to post. So I'm going to click Slideshow. Slideshow also publishes your content as images, but it gives you further programming capabilities, which I'll show you later on in this video. I want to post all my slides, so I'm going to leave this on all slides. And now I'm going to choose where I'm sending my content to. So I want to send it to a channel. I'm going to choose my channel, which is Slideshow. And I'm going to make sure that I'm going to choose Zone 1. Now that I know where I'm sending my content, I'm going to go and choose all the other options in the right-hand pane. So I'm going to leave the name as quotes. I think I'm going to change the duration to 15 seconds. And this right here is one of the major differences between image and slideshow. Show means all of the slides that are going to show in one content rotation loop. So if I set it to all, every time your content rotation plays, it will play all of the slides. So I don't want that. I actually want one slide to play in every content rotation. So for example, the first content rotation, it'll play slide 1. In the second content rotation, it'll play slide 2. In the third, it'll play slide 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Show, I'm going to click this drop down, and I'm going to select 1. So one slide will play in each content rotation loop. Show slides is where you're going to set how you want your content to play, so you can have it play from beginning, play from the last one, or play randomly in every loop. And I'm going to set it to from the last one. So every time it goes around, it'll play in the order that I have my slides listed here. Next, I'm going to schedule, and I'm just going to click this checkbox play in the date range. I'm going to click this calendar icon right here, and I'm going to choose the day I want it to play on. And automatically it'll end on the same day, right before midnight. I'm also going to make sure that delete after scheduled date is checked, so this will also remove it from your playlist at the online CMS. So now I'm ready to publish. I'm going to go up here and click the Publish button, and I'm going to click the Status button right beside it to see the status of my upload. Now it's uploaded, I'm going to go and check it out on the online CMS. So I'm going to click this button right here. And all of my credentials are already in, so I'm just going to hit the login button. And there's my content. So I'm going to show you right now the difference between image and slideshow. So if you look in the playlist, I've just clicked in Zone 1. You can see down here there's 10 items, and then there's an 11th item that says quotes. So items 1 through 10 were published as an image. So what that does is it actually separates each slide into separate playlist items. If we go down to number 11, this is the slideshow that I just published. And if I hit the edit button, click files, you'll see all of the images that I just published. So the benefit of that is if you have a lot of items and you don't want it to monopolize your playlist, slideshow is definitely the way to go. So now I'm going to take you back to PowerPoint just to show you how to preview it right within PowerPoint without having to go to the online CMS. I'm going to click this preview button right here. And there's my channel. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and until next time, remember, it's not what you say, it's how you show it.